Okay, welcome back to
the Pale Blue Dot.
You probably remember last time we made a nature journal and we pasted some cool flowers in there. And then the second lesson we talked about the parts of a plant. And today we're going to do something really fun and really cool. But before we do that,
we're going to do a quiz.
Oh yeah. Let's learn the parts of a plant and what they do. So we want to watch parts of a plant.
Parts of a plant.
Okay. Do you remember the part that's like this?
It's called a leaf.
Yes. Leave me alone. Do you know what the leaf does?
It holds... I don't know. Do you?
Close. It catches the sunlight. So we want to write that. It catches the sun.
Light.
And do you know why that's important?
Why? To make it grow?
Yeah, it makes it grow and makes food. How about the part that's really beautiful like me?
Flower.
Yes.
But it's not even close here. Okay.
It's colorful because it wants to attract bees and butterflies. Because it wants to get bees and butterflies to come visit so that it can spread the seed and make new plants later. And the part that holds it strong in the ground?
It's called a root.
Roots. Holds the plant strong.
The stem?
Oh.
Ooh, you forgot.
And what's the stem do?
It holds the flower and the leaf.
Yep. Holds it up strong. Okay.
Okay, let me write this down. All done.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to go on a leaf hunt.
Oh, really?
Yep. And I think we want to find 5 different shapes of leaves.
Ooh.
Okay? So first, let's write the word leaf hunt at the top.
Okay.
And I think 5 shapes. So I want to draw something and then you can draw it after me, but I want to find a leaf that's shaped like a hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, we'll just call that the hand shape. I also want to find one that's kind of shaped like a sword. So we'll call that a sword shape.
Ooh, nice. I can't really draw a hand.
And this one, do you know what this one is called?
It's called a heart.
Yeah, heart shape. This will be the easy one, I think. Round or circle. And then finally one that's kind of almost round, but we call an oval. You ready to go find the 5 shapes? But can you name them all without looking?
Of course.
5 shapes, what are they?
They're the hand, the circle, the sword, the oval, and the heart.
And I think there's one we can use, the sword shape.
That's...
It's coming here.
It's definitely not a sword.
One? Okay. Give me 5. That's a good one. Uh-oh. What other candy?
It's flower. Itu nanti jadi.
Ah, I remember where it's the circle. Oh.
Whoa,
Where is
hard.
that one? Yeah.
And we just need
And the
to
last one.
Aduh, 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 aduh.
There's the last one. Keep it that though.
and circle.
Ibu giniin ya. So,
Look. Which one do we have?
Oh, let me open it. We have the hand.
Yeah. So there's the hand,
And that's the sword.
sword.
That's yours.
Is this one lemongrass?
Yes.
This one is lemongrass.
Ah, you're breaking it now. I don't have a sword.
You have this one.
That's yours. Also, let me show you.
And what's this one?
Oh, that's the heart. Heart.
And this one.
Circle. Or should I say round?
And this one.
And this is the oval.
Oval. And this one is the
Sword.
sword. Okay, cool.
Let me show you a trick. If you go from bottom like this, it's very soft. But if you go from top like this, it's kind of sharp.
That's kind of interesting.
Now we found all the leaf shapes. I hope you have fun.
I hope you're inspired to use your nature journal, get outside, and try to find all the leaf shapes and see how many you can find.